Okay, for all of you watching, here's the new iPad 3. This is a 32 gigabyte black. Let's go ahead and open this sucker up. Come on, open up. My hands are dirty. Oh, and there's the top. And there's your iPad for you. And let's go ahead and take it out. There's the iPad. Regular stuff. There's your wall charger. Whoop-de-doo. Oh joy, instructions. Oh, and the cable, the ones that always go crappy on you. Best part, see that? Yeah, it says Bobby Trump, and there you go. And there's the cool iPad for you. It's mine, not yours. Later.